Most political analysts believe that this comment today is not a comment in isolation, that it is in fact an indication that Dr. Manmohan Singh is being seen as a candidate for the Congress in 2014, not Rahul Gandhi. Rashid Kidwai of The Telegraph joins us from Bhopal, Vinod Mehta of The Outlook, Hartosh Singh Bal, political editor, Open Magazine, Mr. Rajagopal, senior journalist. My first question is to Ajay Bose. Ajay, I believe your view is that by making this statement, the Congress has lost whatever chances it had in 2014. Why do you think so?
Well, this flip-flop has gone too far. Just not so long ago, they projected Rahul Gandhi as the new face, and he's going to lead the campaign, and he's going to be the new Prime Minister. India will get a new Prime Minister, a youthful Prime Minister, and suddenly now you're backtracking. You can't confuse, you're confusing the Congress worker also, let alone the people of the country. So I think that, this sort of confused and mixed signals will, demoralize a party which is already, has its back to the wall and is going to find it very, very tough in getting a third term. And forget about a third term, even if it wants to get a decent number of seats, they're not sure about projecting its only leader now, Rahul Gandhi, as the next Prime Minister. Why are they waiting for so long?
Vinod Mehta, how do you read it? Janardhan Dwivedi doesn't just talk of the present, he talks of the future. He said this fantastic relationship in sum and substance should be the ideal model for the future also. In other words, he's discounting the possibility of anyone else. Chidambaram, anyone else within the Congress emerging as a candidate.
Arnab, I don't think we should overinterpret Janardhan Dwivedi's statement today. The genesis of that statement lies in the remarks that were made by Mr. Digvijay Singh a couple of days ago, in which he declared this whole dual policy of Sonia Gandhi and Prime Minister as a failure. Now, the Congress could not allow that statement to remain on the table.
No.
If you have that statement on the table, you're negating 9 years of Congress rule in the country and the relationship between Sonia Gandhi.
Yes.
There is also, when Mr. Digvijay Singh says that it's a failure, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi has to take much of the responsibility of that if it is a failure. And so, in order to rebut and snub Mr. Digvijay Singh, they have made this statement.
No, it could be.
And
it
gone
could not
a little
be.
further ahead to give
Mr. Vinod Mehta, it could not be.
Credibility to say that it could be for 2014.
No, I'll tell you why, Mr. Mehta, that could not be the case. It is not only neutralizing Digvijay Singh's statement. Because if it was neutralizing Digvijay Singh's statement alone, let me come to you, Hartosh, then they would not talk about the future. Janardhan Dwivedi is a person who in the Congress party chooses his words most carefully. He is saying that, and I quote, the relationship which exists between the Congress President Prime Minister today is unique and something which has never been seen before, and perhaps this should be the ideal model for the future also. Why would he talk about the future, Hartosh?
Arnab, I think you are right. It cannot be restricted only to Digvijay Singh's statement. But where Rahul Gandhi is concerned and what Rahul Gandhi will do in the future, this party has always been confused and divided. And if I have to choose between what Mr. Digvijay Singh predicts and what the mainstream of the party predicts, I would go with Digvijay Singh. He seems to know Rahul Gandhi's mind better than the rest of the party. So this ambiguity is in continuation with the past, where Rahul Gandhi is concerned, and it's doing no favors to the Congress, because on one side we are getting indications that Rahul should be assuming the role, and on the other side we are getting indications that maybe Manmohan should continue. If the party is going to approach the elections with this strange position, they are not going to make things good for themselves. They are already in a bad shape.
No, but they're certainly in a bad shape. But what was the need for this comment? Mr. Rajagopal, what do you think?
They have conceded the defeat, Arnab. They are not going to win in these elections. Suppose if the winning was there, it will be Dr. Manmohan Singh. Therefore, they are projecting a camouflage now. They are ensuring themselves for a major defeat. Nothing is moving in Delhi. Today, cabinet meeting was not even attended by 1/5 of the cabinet ministers. Members of parliament do not attend the debates. There are so much of NAC, National Advisory Council, and PMO are having a totally different views altogether. Therefore, the system has suffered a major paralysis and setback. As you know very well, we are moving in this sort of Twitter era. But I don't think that the government is going to have a complete its full term.
You see,
nothing is moving in Delhi.
No, you always present a very pessimistic picture of the government, Mr. Rajagopal. Why don't you give them some credit? Let me take you on today. Every day, Mr. Rajagopal, you present this gloom and doom scenario for the UPA, and unfortunately, Mr. Rajagopal, because of your, the fantastic manner with which you put your presentation forth, you don't often get challenged. But let me put it to you differently.
No, it's not like that. Someone let it change it. In the Krishi Bhavan, Udyog Bhavan, Rail Bhavan, Sastri Bhavan, Shram Shakti Bhavan, nowhere the
Sir, I am not talking about, I am only talking about Racecourse Bhavan.
Sanctioned by the officers.
I am only talking about Racecourse Bhavan. What about Racecourse Bhavan?
There is a complete disconnect between Madam Sonia Gandhi and Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Oh, please. No. Mr. Rashid Kidwai does not agree. No, if there was a disconnect, Janardhan Dwivedi would not have come out and made the statement on his own. What do you think, Rashid?
Arnab, you're asking me?
Yeah, that question is to you, Rashid.
Yeah, Arnab, let's be very frank. Thing is that there is no contradiction in what Mr. Digvijay Singh is saying or what Mr. Janardhan Dwivedi is saying. Manmohan Singh is extremely important and crucial for Congress and Rahul Gandhi's future. There is no two views about it, and Sonia Gandhi knows it very well. Look, they have to blunt this dynasty charge. They have to put forward, they have to say that, look, we gave chance to Dr. Manmohan Singh, who was a very learned man, who had no personal scandal against him, and he did, against all odds, he did a reasonably good job. So they have to showcase, and as the incumbent Prime Minister, it is his chance to be Prime Minister, because look, Rahul Gandhi is not in a hurry. He doesn't want to become Prime Minister. He wants to be political leader. He wants to own political legacy of Sonia Gandhi and of Nehru Gandhi family of Congress party. And Manmohan Singh is not vying for that role. So there is no role reversal. It is a relationship that based on mutual respect.
Rashid, you wrote a book on the Congress party.
How long will we wait for Rahul Gandhi?
How long will we wait for? No, but after this statement today,
how long will we wait?
Why do you ask? Why do you ask that?
Why is Rahul Gandhi taking so long?
It is for Congress party. It is for voters to decide. If voters are that situation was known in 2009 also election, and yet people gave Congress much a better mandate.
No, but if
they know that Manmohan Singh is not a
why is Rahul Gandhi being so shy?
No, but is Rahul Gandhi interested?
Rahul.
Vinod Mehta, if Rahul Gandhi was
42, he is not in hurry. He doesn't want to be some Michael Hazeltine or someone like that, who had a lot of promise and
you want to impose 80 years old Dr. Manmohan Singh on the system. He's not accepted.
No, it seems a very real possibility, Mr.
Manmohan Singh's term is coming to an end on June 23rd. And he has completed 20 years in Parliament. As a Prime Minister, 9 years.
Can I come in?
Still you want him to be thrust on the people?
Mr. Rajagopal, Vinod Mehta. Vinod Mehta.
We shouldn't think that the Congress party is completely bonkers, that they're a party of lunatics. Dr. Manmohan Singh will be 81 years old by the time the next election is. By the time the 5 years are over, he will be 86. I don't think whatever is happening, I think to assume that from here that this is a projection of Dr. Manmohan Singh for the third term, I think is completely erroneous.
No, but
I think
Vinod
what
Mehta,
they're trying to do.
Vinod Mehta, why do you rule out the possibility that the Prime Minister may be aspiring for a third term? The Prime Minister does not.
The Prime Minister's Arnab, the Prime Minister's aspirations mean nothing. The Prime Minister has no base, no constituency.
Well, that's what people said in 2009.
Unless the party wants him, he can't stand. But you can imagine that if Ajoy is right, the Congress is not bonkers. If they project Mr. Dr. Manmohan Singh, they are finished. So I can tell you that this is some kind of verbal ploy going on, some kind of infighting at the very top of the in the Congress. But I will bet my last house, and I will bet editor that Dr. Manmohan Singh will not be projected for the third term of the Congress.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't bet editor. And for those who don't know the lingo that Vinod Mehta has just reached, editor is Mr. Vinod Mehta's extremely famous pet
Don't
dog.
be cruel on the dog.
Don't be, yeah. Don't
And he doesn't want to be prime minister. He doesn't want to be prime minister.
Yeah, don't wager the wonderful your wonderful pet. The question here is not this. You see, Hartosh,
But I think how confident I am.
I don't like to square off with people with much more experience than me, like Vinod Mehta. But unfortunately, Hartosh, today I find it difficult to agree with Vinod Mehta's analysis, because why would Janardhan Dwivedi come out and say this is a perfect model for the future? If effectively it is ruling out Rahul Gandhi as Prime Minister, if this is the perfect model for the future.
Arnab, if you look at the situation today, while the Congress may not promote Manmohan Singh, they will never rule out Manmohan Singh. The most likely scenario in which the Congress comes back to power is a tricky alliance situation. Rahul Gandhi has neither the inclination nor the political skills to handle such a job. If we are ever in that situation, you will again be looking at somebody like Manmohan Singh. This is a hypothetical situation, but a situation in which Rahul Gandhi can be Prime Minister where there's a comfortable majority does not even seem like a remote possibility at the moment for the Congress. So they have to keep their options open with Manmohan Singh.
No, but why would Manmohan Singh?
Congress is projecting. Where are the allies? Is the DMK projecting Dr. Manmohan Singh? Is the NCP projecting Dr. Manmohan Singh? Is Trinamool Congress projecting Manmohan Singh? Only Congress is projecting. In the backdrop of Mr. Chidambaram,
No, I don't understand this logic.
Names have cropped up. Therefore,
Rashid
now
Kidwai.
new name has come up in the name of Dr. Manmohan Singh.
I don't see where the allies come in here, frankly. Rashid also disagrees. Rashid?
No, in the sense total I am talking about.
We're not talking about
Only
the allies.
Congress is projecting.